Locate the right side dial, remove 4 caps and unscrew 4 screws. Firmly pull up the front panel with your hands to remove it along with the rotor cup. Pull out the knob. Remove the screws that hold the circuit board in place. Take note of where each wire was connected, as you will need to reconnect the new circuit board in the same way. Plug the cords of the new circuit board into the slots one by one according to the defective circuit board. Reinstall the screws that hold the circuit board in place. Install the board back and put the one knob back on. Plugging in the watch winder to a power source. Once you're sure the watch winder is working correctly, remove the power source and reattach the watch winder's board. Tighten all the screws and affix the protection black dots. That's it. You've successfully replaced the circuit board of your watch winder.